We have a last minute call from the Voge motorcycle shop. The motorcycle has finally arrived, only 3.5 weeks late, but it's better late than never. That's one thing about China that I haven't mentioned. It was the same buying this car, and buying the motorcycle is the same. They don't actually give you an estimated time of arrival. It'll just phone you up on that day and say it's here. Now, because I want to do the unboxing, we are actually 2 hours away from the bike dealer, because we were hanging out with some friends the night before from Hong Kong in another seaside resort. But on the last minute call, it's now, what's the time now? 5:15. We got the call about an hour ago saying that the bike has arrived, and if I want to unbox it, we have to go now. Otherwise they will unbox it and push the bike inside the shop, because the box doesn't go inside the shop. So now Mrs. Ranting Cabby drives faster than me, so she's on a mission to get us there, unbox it before the shop closes. No warning, no delivery time. It's just phone up, it's here. It was the same with this car. We got phone call the day before. They didn't really tell us a roughly date, because we were supposed to get the bike 3.5 weeks ago. But at least the drive is nice and easy. It's nice and pretty out there. Look. Nice grey weather and nice 4-lane freeway to get there. Estimated time of arrival 6:30. Thank you, Mrs. Ranting Cabby. Constant construction. Never stop building infrastructure. Meters away. The time has come. Well, here we are at Voge. Perfect timing. This guy's leaving for the parking space. The day has come to unbox the Voge 625. This is the black one, which the dealer was trying to push us to take for the last 2 weeks. And now my one is in the box over there. They've just taken delivery of a big batch of bikes, and my one is in that box over here. Voge, and this is my bike. So we're going to do this unboxing of my Voge 625. How to open this. Sonny. Ready? This. They're a little bit busy, so we're getting in the way. They're getting a bit angry because we're getting in the way of them unboxing their other bikes. So this is it, the grey one. It's finally here. It's metal grey.
你过来扶着，你照那边扶，这里是前提啊。我在这里打那个。
Voge I've done the very basic unboxing, but there's certain bits that they need to do themselves, and I'm just getting in the way of them. They've got about 20 bikes here to unpack, so it's past 7 o'clock and don't want to really hold the guys up from finishing work. So we're here at Voge again, dropping off my accessories. I've got some accessories for them to put on before I take the bike. Mrs. Ranton Cabby is finalising all the paperwork, and from yesterday we were going to send her ID and my accessories, but save it getting lost or what have you, just bring it by person. We live about an hour away. This is my bike. Only the throttle cape section has gone on. Still no handlebar on this side. To be continued.